Hello everyone, this is Eliza, and today we are going to show you how you can select the type of access for your online course. So let's get started. First, log into your LearnWorlds school and go over to Courses at the left side menu. Create a new course or choose one of the existing courses. On your Courses toolbar, click on the Access tab. From here, you can set or change the type of access you have given to your course when you first created it through the course wizard. As you can see, your options are paid, draft, coming soon, enrollment closed, free, and private. A paid course is only accessible to learners that have purchased it through the site or have been manually enrolled in it by an administrator. Draft shows that this course is still under development, so it is not published or visible to any learner. This is the default mode for course accessibility. Coming soon is for courses that are published but won't allow enrollments yet. A course card appears inside the school and shows that the course will become available soon. Enrollment closed means that no new learners allowed to sign up for this course. Already registered learners can still access the course, while everyone can see it in the course catalog and layout page. A free course is available for anyone, and learners will need to sign up to study the course. Lastly, private course is only accessible to learners that have been manually enrolled in it. If you set your course as private, it will remain unpublished and won't be visible in the course catalog. On this page, you also get your school's public URL, which can be shared with everyone. If this is a private course, though, only learners who have already enrolled will be able to access it. Moving on, you also have the option to drip feed your course, either by date or days, and the course expiration option is located right under. Here you can choose to have your course expired in X number of days, weeks, or months, or make it available forever. Finally, you get the after purchase navigation option. This is where you decide where you want learners to get redirected after they buy your course. So you can either take them to the course description page, the course player, the after login page, a thank you page, any other page of your school to a specific URL. If you want this to apply to all your courses, then click on Apply to All Courses. And that's it. You've just learned how to set the type of access you need for your courses. If you need any help with this, let us know at support@learnworlds.com.